Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce unused JavaScript in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, you will need to go to your online store so we can start checking our code. And basically to do so, you will need just to go to the side menu and then click on the online store. And from here, you can start going and see your edit code. By clicking on edit code, you can find all your JS scripts or the JavaScript files. And to do so, you will need just to reduce these ones and just go to assets and start searching for your JavaScripts. And basically, you will need to identify which JavaScripts that is unused. And for that, you can start using the developer mode of any other browser. So any browser that you are using would have some developer mode. And from here, you can see the console and find, for example, the scripts that are not working or that has some errors. You can go to the source and find all your content scripts. Also, you can go to the network and, for example, let's just click on Control plus R, and here we will find all the source of our operation that are going into our store. So basically, those are the times. And for example, if there is some scripts that is taking too much time, you can figure out from here and seeing its source. As you can see, this is, for example, a request URL, and you can find all the information about the script. And from there, you can either start minifying the GS, or you can deleting it completely if it is unused. And basically, this is the way how you can reduce your unused JavaScript. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.